Here are some helpful hints from Ski Brothers Heat and Air at 501-434-4622 that you can try before you give us a call. There are three major reasons why warm air is blowing out of the air vents. Reason number one, the batteries in your digital thermostat have died. See if they need to be replaced. That's a pretty simple thing to check first. Reason number two, poor airflow due to a dirty air filter can cause warm air to start coming out of the air vents. Turn off the system and replace the filter. Here are some step-by-step instructions on what to look for. Check to see if the thermostat is showing that the AC is on and that the fan is set to on or auto. If it is, go outside and check and see if the AC condenser is running. That's that big unit outside with a fan and it blows a lot of air, makes a lot of noise in the yard. You can tell it's running because the fan at the top of the unit will be spinning. If it's not making any strange noises and seems pretty normal, look for any ice buildup on the outside of the unit, especially where any tubes are coming into it. Make note of whether you see ice build or not and go back inside. Here's the next steps. Number one, once again, make sure that the thermostat is on. And if you have a digital thermostat and it's not responding, change the batteries to see if that fixes the problem. That really could be the genesis of the whole thing. Number two, if the thermostat is working, then turn off the system and go check your air filter. If you haven't replaced that dirty thing in many months, it could be the cause of your problem right there. If you saw ice build up on the outside compressor, then replace the air filter and wait for the ice to melt. After the ice has melted, or if there wasn't any on the outside unit, and you've changed the air filter, turn the system back on and set the temperature to 3 degrees below the room temperature. If cold air starts blowing again, you have solved the problem. If it's still warm, turn off the system and call us right away for expert help. You can call Ski Brothers Heat and Air at 501-434-4622 right away to get the expert air conditioning service in the Little Rock area that you need. We service all major brands of air conditioners. And finally, reason number three, a low amount of refrigerant in the air conditioner. Now you might be asking yourself, well, how am I supposed to know that? Well, if you try the instructions from reason number 1 and 2 and you still have warm air blowing out of the air vents, chances are you've got low refrigerant. To fix that, call Ski Brothers at 501-434-4622 right now. So let's review. Number 1, make sure the thermostat's working. Number 2, make sure the outdoor AC unit is running. Look for ice buildup on the lines coming into it. Number 3, turn off the system and replace the air filter. If the ice was on the outside of the AC unit, let it melt. Then set the thermostat to 3 degrees below the room temperature and see if cold air starts blowing out of the vents again. If you try all these tips, and like we said, warm air is still blowing out of the vents, call us right away. For $79, we'll come out and diagnose the problem and tell you how we can fix it. Thanks for listening and for watching.